Well, first of all, we are very pleased with the last couple of days with the senior team. Of course, the players being fantastic. We know all the issues, we know all the situation. That's we need to put it aside. We all the time when we here, we always want to looking forward. We have to be positive with all things. I know the president, Mohsen Ilani, is looking forward to improve the football here in Pakistan. We're glad to have these guys, these boys around the world. They're really they're so proud to come in here to represent Pakistan. That's why I really enjoy and like it to them coming here, engaged, to want to do well for the country. So yeah, we hope so. With the good results, we slowly building our progress in the Pakistan football. We try to be competitive. Tomorrow we want to play against one of the best teams in the group. That's the reason they are qualified already. So we're looking forward for the match tomorrow. I get a good result to help in all these plans in the future, for the Pakistan football. I believe is like I'm saying, they are these guys very humble guys. The local boys, they want to do so well. You can tell how desperate they are to improve in the football. And this guy come from abroad, helping a lot with all the spirits. Get together. I think the more important all the time saying, apart from the tactic or whatever, is the team spirit. The team spirit is very, very important. So this guy been dealing so well with all few issues. Normal happens sometimes, but they are really available. They come here 100% to want to do well. I told them it's a great opportunity for them to try to start to play and get good results for the future. We're looking forward for maybe in a couple of years to start to get again to chance to qualify to the Asian Cup. It will be a great achievement. We go to the World Cup. Dream is a lot of probably maybe people won't believe that, but you have to believe. You have to training hard. But like I'm saying to you, these guys been fantastic. These boys looking forward to doing well for the country.
I would love to have Etizaz, if you can answer some questions, please. Etizaz, one please.
ये जो लोकल प्लेयर्स हैं इधर, उनको एक लीग चाहिए. उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है जब उनको हर हफ्ते मैच नहीं मिलते. नेशनल टीम गेम्स 5-6 होते हैं हर साल और फिर मुश्किल हो जाता है उनके लिए इम्प्रूवमेंट करने का. जो यंग प्लेयर्स हैं उनकी पोटेंशियल बहुत है, टैलेंट भी है, लेकिन उनको चाहिए एक लीग हो, वो सपोर्ट मिले. फिर प्लेयर्स इधर पाकिस्तान में टैलेंट होते हैं बहुत है कि उनको मौका सही मिले, फिर चांसेस हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा प्लेयर्स हैं. जितने यंग प्लेयर्स आए हैं बहुत टैलेंट है उनको बस वो थोड़ा लीग चाहिए, एक ट्रेनिंग सही हो, फिर उनके पास भी बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं. इस टीम का नहीं, पहले डोमेस्टिक लीग बने ना, फिर तो वो इधर दिखा सकते हैं अपना टैलेंट को, फिर इंटरनेशनल इंशाल्लाह जाएंगे इम्प्रूव करके. सबसे अच्छा यही है ना कि जो लोकल प्लेयर्स हैं वो इंटरनेशनल खेलें, लेकिन वो इंटरनेशनल क्लब्स जो अच्छे होते हैं वो नहीं साइन करते जब प्लेयर कोई डोमेस्टिक क्लब में नहीं खेलता, बस 7-8 मैचेस खेलता है हर साल नेशनल टीम के लिए, फिर मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Thank you so much, and I'll have just last question from the head coach, if anyone wants to go.
Could you please provide reasoning behind Fazal's exclusion from the squad for this upcoming match?
Sorry.
Fazal's exclusion from the squad.
I'm saying all the time the national team is open for everyone, never closed. I'm in the process to looking forward to still see more players. We will try to give you the opportunity to grow and get experience to play this kind of, especially when we play the national team, the level. it's international level. So it's nothing against him. It's only we need to sometimes change the squad to have a look, because we're looking for the future, to how we want to face in the future the next tournaments, official tournaments. So this kind of matches is a good opportunity to carry on, see players, to watch the players. But everybody, I will say, everybody wants to represent any footballer around the world. Here in Pakistan has the opportunity to be in the national team, they will come. We all the time want to bring the best players in the national team to represent Pakistan. So, well, I hope so. Yeah, we will have a good result tomorrow. I want to engage every Pakistan, request to every fans of football to come tomorrow to support the team.